Alright, so now that we have a variable for our player's character name, they might not actually like the name of Bubvis or, whatever our default character name is. So let's give them the ability to change that. So the way that we are going to get feedback back from the user in plain JavaScript is going to be through prompts. So what is a prompt? A prompt is in JavaScript, well let's try it out. If we type prompt here and open the parentheses, and let's give them a prompt of pick a new character name. Right. So that is our prompt statement right there. And if we save that, come over to our web page and reload. Oh, there's a pop-up box now where it's asking us to pick a new character name. The user can then type something in, say like Nuggets, for example. That's a great other name. And if we hit OK, that sends our input back. But obviously nothing comes out because we don't have any console logs after that. So what is this doing? Well, when the user submits their feedback, right, it essentially like substitutes that string of what they typed in where this prompt is. So we're not actually doing anything with it right now. It's just kind of existing there, right? Like with the prompt comes up, you hit OK, and then it just inserts whatever they typed right here, and it's like and in JavaScript, it just says, oh well, that's a string, semicolon. Okay, I'm not going to do anything with that. Well, if we want to save it as our new character name, we have to assign it to the variable, right? So how do we do that up here? We had variable name equals our new value. So we're going to do the same thing here. Variable name equals our new value. So now, if we were to console log out our new character name, after storing it from the prompts, give them our new name of Nuggets. Boom, our new character name is Nuggets. So that is how you get input from the user in vanilla JavaScript. It will be a little different in React Native, but for now, this will work.